domestic
That's so cute.
Did you get a laughing? Nice. Let me see. Let me see your picture. Wow. Look at that. Awesome, huh? Eyes. The nose. The mouth. Nice. Good job. Good job. I love it. Wow. Did you see my artiste? Ooh. Is it a giraffe? It's a giraffe. Oh, hey guys. Let's have a little chit chat. Hey girl, hey. So this is how you know when you have moved on from anyone that hurt you, you've forgiven them, really truly forgiven them from the heart. So you know when you have a family member that really does you dirty and they hate you and can't stand you, but they pretend to be you and they just like you, steal your stuff and do all these kind of shenanigans and basically are narcissists your whole life and toxic. Yeah. And they run you down. So when they come around or you hear about them and people talk about them, you don't care. You're like, oh, okay. Or they try to come to you with the fake forgiveness and you're like, okay, but you don't care. You don't have no feeling. Once you have no feeling and no feelings attached, that means that you have forgiven them. You truly forgiven them from the heart, from the soul. Because when you hold on to pain and hold on to resentment, it brings you down. It keeps you in a low vibrational state. And you can't manifest, you can't bring things to you, and that's what they want. So here's some words from the wise. Just forgive them and wish them well, send them off with love, and you will manifest and get all your heart's desires because they don't want you to get it. That's the whole point of these toxic people. They don't want you to reach your potential, so they make you feel like nobody loves you, but really, in all actuality, they don't love themselves. So because you are going to basically be pushed over the edge, and they're going to be the catalyst in your life to make you change and make you become that better you, that lioness, okay, or that lion. Basically, we already know the lion is the king of the jungle. So a woman could be the king of the jungle also. I don't discriminate. Energy is energy, male or female, feminine or masculine, divine is divine, okay? But it's all in divine timing. Look at this. Look at how I'm gutting this pineapple. Oh my God. But anyway, guys, yeah, just forgive them and wish them well and let them go, because once you hold on to toxic energy, you'll have toxic ways. You'll always have that in your energy, and you don't want that. Just clear yourself, detox your perineal gland, and clean out your heart, and you will be able to flourish and manifest and be the best you that you could be. And you could connect to your higher self, obviously, and that's what we all are here for, to connect back to who we really are, who we truly are on the inside, the soul, not the human being that you look in the mirror and see. That's just a vessel. Okay, guys? So that's just a little chit chat coming from me to you. Another, gem that I'm sharing with you. Namaste. Been saying hi to the chicken. Say hey, chicken. Hey, chicken. This thing is huge. Look at you. I don't even understand why. It's like a big, really big bird. Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi.
Hey, guys. Welcome back to another day in the life. So we getting gas. We are in the lift, okay? And she want to show you her sneakers. Here we go. Nice. They can't see it. All right, guys. So I hope y'all having a good time. Yes, baby. Yes, that's your knee. We having whipped cream. We just went to Dunkin'. Hey, Dunkin'. Let me show you. Can't see the nice little cute cup. Oh, let's show them. Hey. It's cold. The cup is very cold. She ate all my whipped cream on the top. Peace. Okay, how cute. I know y'all want to see my cooler. Here it is. This is my cooler. Yes, I am a crazy person with my ice. See? That's right. Real Farms. Shout out to Real Farms for the win, for the ice. So this is the one I eat, and then this stays in here. See? So all my cups, I don't feel like showing you, but I'll show you. All right, guys. Ooh, check out those nails. Nice. How cute is this block? It's like New York. Okay, I'll wait. It is just like New York. Hi! I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go get some pizza. Hey guys. Hey, Mr. Duncan. So cute. Oh, this place is so cute. Look at the deals. Let's have the ice cream. They have cake.
And the Western people,
He's taking it.
down here, so this is just like all and this comes for the product. Like Western to the
Can you see the ice cream?
I think it's because it didn't rank to the
I'm gonna do a voiceover. You got the ice cream? Yeah. So you can get a. Hey. Look at that cute sign. Welcome. Say hi to the camera. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna sit next to
You want to get in?
yeah, say hey.
Hello. I'm not.
Yeah.
There we
Hey.
go.
Take your sis.
We had a piece of
Doesn't this bridge look like the bridge in London? That you put all the locks on? What is it called? The Love Bridge? I'm not sure. But look at this fog. Look at this fog. Oh my goodness. Right now it's 10:21 a.m. This fog is serious. Even if I had my beam lights on, it couldn't help. Like, look, this is crazy. Like, what?